Let's take a tour of our PlanGen Pro web application. PlanGen Pro is a web-based tool designed to allow its subscribers to create retirement plan illustrations for both new and existing retirement plans. Data can be imported from compliance systems and record-keeping systems to do annual contribution testing for compliance purposes and to create new plans to complement, such as combo plans with cross-testing. Our users are professionals who work with employers processing their payroll, such as bookkeepers, CPAs, investment advisors, and third-party plan administrators. In the PlanGen system, the user will configure their account. In that account configuration, they'll identify their address and their email. This will all be used to populate what you'll soon see as our point of sale page. It will be detailed for them the different plan types that they have subscribed and can generate within the system. Our plan types include cash balance plans, 401k simple plans, as well as IRAs. DC import, this will allow you to import data from your record keeping or administration system, so you can design a component plan such as a cash balance plan to complement it, or also do the contribution testing and profit sharing contributions for the existing year. Our DC Dash plan is a double advantage safe harbor with a safe harbor non-elective contribution. We have 412E3, which is a fully insured defined benefit plan. Our cross-testing utility is the DB-DC plan, which is a combination of both a defined benefit and a defined contribution plan. Our DC plan, we can do life insurance quotes. We can compare multiple plans, and I'll be demonstrating that in just a moment, and traditional defined benefit plan. If the system is utilizing insurance as one of its features, the different carriers are listed on the Carriers tab. The system allows for presentation customization, so each one of the plans types can have their own cover page for the proposal that's generated, as well as header pages within those proposals. A default can be set to be used for all plans, or individual selections can be made for each plan type. The system offers APIs and connects to other systems to be able to create records within them. In this illustration, we are showing our connection to the PlanGen Pro system, an operational management system for third-party plan administrators, as well as the history. In addition, we have our bio page. On the bio page, this is what we term our point of sale page, and a link is provided to our secure portal. Prospective employers can use the information and provide the data needed to do plan illustrations. So I'm just going to click on this link here, and it will take us to my point of sale page. Now, this page could be linked through the user's personal website, or they can provide information for plan design through the user's personalized point of sale page. Basic information about the individual submitting their request is provided. Information about the company that's requesting the proposal. And then basic census information about the company that's requesting the illustration. Once completed, all that information is stored within the user's database for ready access to create their illustration. When the user is ready to begin the design of their plans, they can log on to the system. When they log on, the most recently submitted data is displayed and they're ready to start. They can look at the employer information, detailing their entity type, which will affect the calculations, their employees, of which they can elect to modify them individually as well. And then they select the proposal for which they want to prepare. We have a number of proposals that are available in the system, and that's based on their subscription elections as to which plans they want to offer. I'm going to start by using my DC Advanced Bundle. Using this proposal utility, I am able to calculate 3 illustrations simultaneously based on my system defaults. I will utilize the same eligibility and vesting for all 3. So I'm going to use in this illustration the default set to age 21, 1 year of service with 6-month entry and vesting on our 6-year graded schedule. I'm going to elect an interest rate that I want to use for my illustration to project lump sum amounts at retirement, a tax rate to be used to calculate the tax savings and efficiencies for each of the plans, and the individuals for which I want to optimize and receive the largest contribution, with minimizing on all of the other employees. So I've selected my principal physician in this illustration. The default is set up for us to do a safe harbor matching plan. We're going to do a safe harbor non-elective plan, giving the largest contribution we can to the principal without increasing the amount over and above the safe harbor non-elective of 3%. And we're going to give a safe harbor non-elective maximum contribution, increasing just what we need in order to meet the largest contribution for that principal employee. To generate, all I have to do is click the button and it will simultaneously run all 3 illustrations, initially going in running the safe harbor non-elective max, then the optimum, and then the safe harbor match. Once complete, you'll have your comparison results. It will display for you whether or not what the cost and the tax savings are, plan information, the owner's charts, and most importantly, our testing. The system does do all the compliance testing needed for each type of illustration. If for some reason one of the tests do not pass, our system is designed to disable the presentation button and not allow you to print an illustration that does not pass testing. In this case, we do pass testing, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare our standard comparison. And with a click, we have executive summary detailing the contributions and the tax savings for our principals. Two additional features that I'd like to demo for you today include our cross-testing utility and our plan import tool. I'm first going to use the demo plan that we have here on the screen to demo the cross-testing utility. Now, the system does require for you to have proposals prepared for each of the plans that you want to combine for testing. As you create proposals, they are demonstrated here on the menu on the left. There is a tree available that demonstrates the different proposals that you've already used in the system. Unlike other applications, our system does create new proposals. It does not overwrite the existing proposal. So to create the cross-testing, I actually go in and select the cross-testing DB/DC plan. The system will default to select a defined benefit plan that's most recently used within the system. We only have one out there right now, as you can see, a cash balance plan, and then the most recent used defined contribution plan that you've illustrated. But we do have others, so you can see that if you want to interchange it and test with different scenarios, you can do that. Once you have selected your plans, you can hit save and cross-test. It will combine those illustrations and test them for discrimination purposes. The statistics and the details of your test results are displayed here on the screen. You also can access a general test report, which you can print off and utilize and save for your records. And as you can see, because the illustrations do pass all the testing requirements, your presentations are enabled so that you can generate them and deliver them and close the case. In order to use our other Plan Import tool, we're going to be actually creating a new case. So to do that, I'm clicking here from my case window on the left of the screen. I'm going to choose Import DC Case and Plan Design. This is marked that it is in our beta test stage. We are actually moving that into the system so that you can utilize it and enabling more features as we go. But first, I'm going to select the file that has the data in it. It's going to create a new case. It's going to create a plan and all the participants with their contributions by source detailed for that import. All I have to do is click on import this data, and the case is created. Well, that brings us to the end of our allotted time today for the PlanGen Pro demo. We thank you for spending time with us and viewing the features of our system, and we hope to see you at our website, plangenpro.com. Feel free to contact us to schedule your personalized demo and learn more about the system. Thank you and have a great day.